Hello friends, my name is Dolores and I am a fine artist and instructor residing in beautiful Kenya. I'll be giving lessons on how to paint simple objects like a still life and more challenging things like a portrait in charcoal, in oils, landscape painting and many more. Karibu to my channel. Jambo my friends, today I'm going to be painting a still life of an orange and we'll have a blue background because orange and blue are complementary colors. For this, I'm going to need a viewfinder so I can adjust all the things that I see and paint only what I really want. The shape of the viewfinder is a square one, the same as the panel that I have here. So the viewfinder will help me see how much of what I'm looking at I should put on my painting. But before that, I'm going to create a little brown color. To make a brown, I need to make green. So I'm going to start here with green. A little blue and a touch of yellow will make a green. You can use other colors to make your drawing. This is just my preference. I take this little red here and I use a little bit of green and I got a little bit of brown. And then I'll go with my orange. It's a simple shape, it's just a circle. And what I'm gonna show you is that the light is coming from the left and I see there's the highlight there, core shadow here. That's where the orange turns around. So there's a shadow here, there's the shadow of the object, it's an oval shape, a dark one. And I'll start to mix my colors. Now just blend a little bit of the colors on the back, and then done for an exercise. Just an exercise. So that's it. I'll just sign this. I use my wipeout tool, and I'll that takes away the painting, and I just sign, put the year that I've done it. It's just an exercise, but I'm happy. Now we'll take care of our palette and the brushes. After I'm done, if I see that I have colors that I'll be using tomorrow, I'll just mix them together. Like you see the oranges here. I can use this orange tomorrow. Have it in here, rearrange the colors so they will be clean tomorrow. And then I'll just mix, I like this blue. Put it here, and for the rest I'll just mix them together. I usually get very nice colors, muted colors, gray kind of colors that I can use for another thing. So I just take all the leftover painting, mix it together, put it in here. Now I'll clean my palette and my solvent here. For next time. Just reorder these together. Take away the gel. Clean it. And now I'm gonna put some plastic wrap on top of it. And this will be lasting at least a few days. So I just cover the palette with this plastic wrap that I will be using once and once again. And this is ready and will be probably lasting a few days. The oils tend to dry, but they might stay fresh in a humid place. In a dark place, you can have them maybe 2 days, they will last. Now I'll show you how to take care of your brushes. The brushes are meant to be to last a long time if you take good care of them and if they are good quality brushes. So try to take as much paint as you can with your cloth, and then you put them in a round way into your baby oil or your solvent. Remember never to use hardware solvents for this. I've taken away most of the painting now, and later I'll just put a little bit of soap, regular soap, not abrasive soap, only soap that you use for washing your hands. And I'll just go turning like that until I see there's no more painting, and then I rinse it with warm water or cold water, it's the same. Reshape it and let it dry. Another important thing, never leave your brushes like that in solvent. The problem with that is that they will lose their shape and you will have ruined your brushes. So if you take good care of your brushes will be with you for a long time. Thanks for watching. Remember to check the description box below. And if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Kwaheri!